Welcome to Neurolink Meditation. Find a comfortable position, close your eyes, and take a deep breath. Let's begin. And as you settle into this space, you can begin to notice the gentle support beneath you, the subtle contact points where your body meets the chair or the floor, and you can allow that support to hold you completely so that your muscles can soften and your mind can begin to quiet. You might notice the rhythm of your breathing, not trying to change it, simply observing the natural flow of air in and out, and with each exhale, you can release a little more tension you've been holding onto, perhaps in your shoulders, or your jaw, or your forehead, letting it dissolve with the breath. I am here to guide you, and your subconscious mind is here to listen, to receive, to integrate, and you can trust that whatever emerges in this space is exactly what you need for your healing and vitality. So you may begin to notice a sense of safety deepening within you, a knowing that in this moment you are perfectly okay. You are held, and you can allow yourself to go inward to that quiet, receptive place within where transformation begins. And it's interesting how the body already knows how to heal, how to restore balance. You've experienced it before. A cut that mends, a muscle that recovers, a night of rest that renews your energy, and that same innate intelligence is within you now, waiting to be acknowledged. I want you to recall a time, it could be recent or long ago, when you felt a surge of vibrant health, a moment of pure vitality. Perhaps after a refreshing walk in nature, or waking up from a deeply restful sleep, feeling energized, or after enjoying a nourishing meal that made your body sing with gratitude. Go to that memory now, and as you recall it, begin to step into it. See what you saw then. Hear the sounds around you, and most importantly, feel what you felt in your body. That sense of aliveness, of strength, of effortless energy flowing through you. Notice where in your body that feeling is strongest. It might be a warmth in your chest, a lightness in your limbs, a tingling in your hands, or a deep, steady calm in your core. And as you connect with that sensation, I want you to amplify it. Let it grow just a little brighter, a little warmer, a little more present. Good. Now, As you feel this peak of vitality, I invite you to gently press your thumb and forefinger together on your right hand, creating a simple, subtle anchor. And as you hold this touch, breathe into that your mind and body are entering a deeply receptive state now. A state where words become blueprints and feelings become realities. And you can allow my voice to become a gentle guide for your own inner voice, planting affirmations deep into the soil of your subconscious, where they will take root and grow effortlessly. State, body, the affirmations begin. Listen and allow. I am a being of vibrant, radiant health. Every system in my body knows how to function in perfect, harmonious balance. And they allow, I am a being of vibrant, radiant health. Every system in my body knows how to function in perfect, harmonious balance. My immune system is powerful, intelligent, and resilient, protecting me with effortless strength. I can feel a river of vital energy flowing through me now, from the crown of my head to the soles of my feet, a continuous renewing stream of wellness. With every breath I take, I am nourishing my body with oxygen and life force, and every heartbeat I am circulating strength, vitality, and healing to every part of my being. My cells are buzzing with health, each one communicating perfectly, regenerating and thriving. I honor my body as I listen to the gentle wisdom of my body, and I respond with loving care and nourishment. The water I drink cleanses and hydrates me at a cellular level, sparking vitality in every organ. The air I breathe fills me with invigorating life, and I release anything my body no longer needs. I am grateful for my body's incredible ability to heal, to restore, and to vibrate at a frequency of perfect health. My energy is not finite. It is renewable and expansive, connected to the limitless source of life itself. I attract foods, people, and environments that enhance my well-being and contribute to my vitality. Movement is a joyful expression of my health, and my body delights in its own strength and flexibility. Pain and fatigue are not my natural state. My natural state is one of comfort, ease, and boundless energy. I release any beliefs that no longer serve my health, and I welcome new patterns of wellness, that are already integrating. My skin glows with the reflection of my inner health, radiant and clear. My breath is always deep and full, even without thinking, supplying my body with exactly what it needs. Healing is happening within me right now, in ways seen and unseen, guided by the profound intelligence of my own biology. I am safe in my body. My body is a safe place to inhabit. Every challenge to my health is an opportunity. My posture naturally aligns to allow energy to flow freely, without blockages, without resistance. My body speaks to me in whispers of intuition, and I am learning its language more fluently every day. My circle kicking me. I forgive my body for any past struggles, and I celebrate it for its constant, faithful service to me. Joy is a potent medicine that courses through my veins, boosting my health with every genuine smile and laugh. My circulatory system is a pristine network of vitality, delivering life to every single cell. My nervous system is calm and regulated, creating an inner environment of peace where health flourishes. Now, I am connected to the healing rhythms of the earth, the cycles of day and night, of seasons, and I harmonize with them effortlessly. Now, let's return to that anchor. Gently press your thumb and forefinger together again, and as you do, feel that original surge of vitality returning, amplified tenfold by these affirmations. Stud, feel it, spreading from that point of contact, up your arm, through your torso, down your legs, out to the very tips of your fingers and toes, a wave of radiant, humming health. This feeling is now anchored, a resource you can access and you might begin to notice how these words are not just words. They are instructions. They are commands of creation being received by the deepest parts of you. It's as if every cell has heard the message and is now aligning with this frequency of perfect health. And this transformation is already in motion. It began the moment you decided to listen. So, let these final affirmations seal this state into your very being. My health is perfect. My vitality is boundless. My energy is renewable. It will be in the final affirmations. Seal this state into your very being. My health is perfect. My vitality is boundless. My energy is renewable. Peset. So let these final affirmations seal this state into your very being. My health is perfect. My vitality is boundless. My energy is renewable. So, Peset, I am healed. I am formed. Fuck for this state into your very being. It doesn't stay here in this meditation. It comes with you. You will carry to your next moment and your next. It will be in the way you move, with a little more spring in your step. It will be in the way you choose your food, naturally drawn to what nourishes you. It will be in the quality of your sleep, deeper and more restoring. It will be in the clarity of your mind and the resilience of your spirit.